This video presents a step-by-step guide on inserting and removing filament from your Cocoon Create 3D printer. If you have purchased a spool of Cocoon Create filament, follow these steps to add your spool to the filament spool holder. Loosen and remove the outer plastic nut of the filament spool holder. Place the spool of filament onto the filament spool holder, with the filament rotating over the top of the spool towards the front of your 3D printer. Return the outer plastic nut to the filament spool holder and tighten. Inserting filament. With the printer initialized, press the navigation dial to enter the menu system. Navigate to and select Quick Settings. Select Preheat PLA or Preheat ABS depending on the material in use. Wait for the 3D printer to automatically return to the home screen after approximately 15 to 30 seconds. Check the temperature of the extruder and plate on the LCD. When the temperatures are within a few degrees of the target, you are ready to insert the filament. Carefully insert your Cocoon Create filament into the hole on the extruder as shown. While holding the filament in place with one hand, press the dial to enter the menu system. Select Extruder, Extruder Position. Gently push down on the filament while slowly turning the dial clockwise. You will feel the filament being pulled into the extruder. Continue until a few centimeters have extruded out of the nozzle. Carefully clean the extruded filament off the heated print bed and nozzle. You are now ready to print. Removing filament. With the printer initialized, press the dial to enter the menu system. Navigate to and select Quick Settings, Preheat PLA, or Preheat ABS depending on the material. Wait for the 3D printer to automatically return to the home screen after approximately 15 to 30 seconds. Check the temperature of the extruder and plate on the LCD. When the temperatures are within a few degrees of the target, you are ready to remove the filament. Depress the extruder spring lever. Push down on the filament gently so that it starts to extrude from the nozzle. When the filament is extruding, quickly but gently pull the filament upwards. If it is done correctly, the end of the filament will pull out into a thin hair-like strand. We want to make sure you get the best experience with your Cocoon Create 3D printer. If you are still having trouble with your 3D printer, contact us on 1-300-663-907 or email customercare@winplus.com.au. Purchase Cocoon Create filament and other accessories at cocooncreate.com.au.